Hi, day one of printing one useful item every single day for an entire year. And today I'm going to be printing a adapter to connect these legs to this skate rail so that I can bring it anywhere and easily take the legs off, as when I originally tried to take them out, they were so rusted on I could not remove them, so I had to cut them out with a hacksaw. And then I'm also going to take the measurements of the legs here, of these steel legs. That is also 38 millimeters, which would make sense. As you can see, the diameter of the cylinder is looks like 38 millimeters. Perfect. And I will be going to the printer to model that up. And the legs are also, turns out to be 380 centimeters long. So gonna go ahead and create that now. Okay, and then you can see here that it's modeled up as a mock-up, and I'm going to be adding a flange out to increase the area out, and the working limit would be right here. I might as well do it 38 like everything else is.
And then you can use the mirror function if you do a line. And then you can create the hole. I believe is 7. Let's just do 8 for the time being.
So, looking to change up the design slightly. I'm gonna do 2 ones in it. And have 4 of them. perfect. Then you can see here that it's modeled up, and I'm gonna go put it on the printer and clean this up a bit. As you can see, this here is the model. It's going to be printed on the printer. I'm gonna go throw it on there now. So I decided to, instead of possibly wasting and it messing up and not fitting, I ended up deciding I'm gonna try to do a test print first. It should only take 6 hours, so I can check back when that comes out. And as you can see, I'm about to start the printer. I always recommend putting your bed to, or putting your hot end to the right temperature first, because it just cycles it and it takes much longer. So I'm gonna throw that on there. Did not realize that. Forgot I had the speed very low. Perfect. And then this one does have an enclosure. Once this is done, I will pick back up. As you can see, it's printing here, and excuse the dust, it's got about 7 hours left. And I will bring back once it is done. And as you can see, it is just about finished. It's got about 2 minutes left. Okay, so it just finished here. Let's try to take this off without damaging it. Okay, there we go. Very large piece of plastic. Very high quality. And I'm gonna go put this next to the rail. Alright, as you can see, slips on there very nice. Got some play to it. Very, very nice. Gonna move this one slightly so I can slide it on. Very nice. Okay, I'm now going to slot this on there. Very good fitment. And, whoops, there's some rust. Let's see if that fits as well. It does very well. Maybe needs a few taps, and some persuasion, but I think that will work. I think. Oh. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. I could just spin it, but I think it's working. Yep. That might just work. Yeah, so I think that will work. So I think it's time to do the real thing and print my real one so I can actually use it. It'll be very nice. Alright, go on. So as you can see, I got a new design, slightly kind of altered it to more of a hexagonal shape instead of the other kind. Go ahead and export this out, and I'm gonna be able to print it out for real this time. As you can see, I got the new and improved design, and I'm gonna go ahead and take it off and test it out.
as you can see, I'm kind of altering. I altered the flange a little to make it smaller. So I'm going to go ahead and export that.
yeah, so that's not that bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if this slices. A little laggy. And as you can see, we have solid parts here for where actually we need the strength and the bolts when clamping them. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put that on the printer. And as you can see, it is now being printed. Will take 1 day and 11 hours and 12 minutes with 518 grams of filament.
That's so bad, shake the whole table because of the gyroid.
Eject. Oh. And there we go, and I will pick back up once this is finished. Yeah.